Morning, here with Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. We're here today in central London on a home. We're doing the deck in the back and we're putting on a Duradek system. The good thing about the Duradek system is you can enjoy the roof, you can step on it, you can walk on it, and you don't have to put a wood deck on top. We'll show you it up top, show you what it looks like. Thanks a lot. Okay, welcome back. We just wanted to show you from the backyard what it looks like. It's a beautiful deck. From the second floor of the home, they'll be able to walk out. They're going to have a railing and stuff once we finish putting on the roofing membrane. But just want to show you what it looks like. Now they can enjoy the deck without having to put a wood deck on top. We're going to put a Duradek system on top. After that, they're going to come and put a safety rail around. And we show what it looks like. The wood framers came in before us. So now we're prepping the roof. We're installing the metal flashing around and adding a concrete mixture to have a nice smooth finish. Show what it looks like. Thanks. Okay, welcome up. So we're going to show you what it looks like. We have a wood deck. Again, the framers came in prior to us. You want to really have good framers when we're talking about a Duradek system. We want professional framers to do a good job. They came in before us. They installed the plywood, and we have bent some metal flashing. So now the metal flashing will go around the outside and give it a nice architectural feature on the outside. If you turn around, we have some concrete. So this is the concrete mixture we talk about. So you mix it to the proper consistency, and then you go over. So what that's going to do, when we put the new vinyl roof system down, it gives a nice smooth finish, and you don't see the transparency of the lapse between the plywood. We're going to get it all prepped up and ready to go. Before we put the glue on, we'll show you what it looks like. Thank you. Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. We finished the job. Job turned out wonderful. We were able to get a new deck, new Duradek system on the client's patio. So they're going to enjoy this. They're going to have a new handrail installed along the outside. It's going to be a beautiful place to come out, have a coffee, enjoy. So we had a step. We had the roof in. We had some shingle details. We want to bring our membrane up and under the shingles. The shingle guy is going to come in the next couple of days and put a new row here to close that off. And we had a metal flashing detail around the outside. If you live in southwestern Ontario, we'd love to hear from you. You can find us online at legacyroofs.com. Thank you so much.